there are those sea lion pups. The eating machines nearly strand themselves to get the tasty critters on shore. So yeah, it would be fair to call orcas the wolves of the sea. But you could also call them the meanest, hungriest, bitiest, tail slappiest, most badass hunters of pretty much the entire ocean. There's no escape. Pounds of food in a single sitting. In this harsh climate, it pays to be a glutton. The next meal may be days away. A pod of beluga whales are trapped in the sea ice. Their small breathing holes put them close to the edges. Too close. The polar bear can't resist. Eventually, the beluga's injuries become too severe. And the Arctic king wins its royal prize. As the ice melts in the spring, the big bears reveal a hidden talent. They're excellent swimmers. Polar bears have been recorded swimming for nearly 10 days straight. One bear was so driven by its stomach, it even traveled a staggering 426 miles.